Welcome to Santa Cruz, California, the place where every day feels like a vacation. Whether you're a surfer, foodie, nature lover, or just someone dreaming of a laid-back lifestyle, Santa Cruz might just be your slice of paradise. Stick with me as I count down the top 10 reasons why Santa Cruz is the ultimate dream destination for living your best life. Reason 10. Perfect weather all year round. Let's start with the weather. Santa Cruz enjoys a Mediterranean climate with mild, sunny days and cool evenings. Forget extreme seasons. Here it's always the perfect temperature to hit the beach or explore the great outdoors. Reason 9. The beaches are next level. From world-famous surf spots to family-friendly beaches, Santa Cruz is a haven for beach lovers. My personal favorite? Watching the sunset at natural bridges, it's pure magic. Reason 8. It's a surfer's paradise. Did you know Santa Cruz is known as the birthplace of mainland surfing? With spots like Pleasure Point and Cowell's Beach, this city attracts wave riders from all over the world. Even if you're a beginner, there are surf schools ready to get you in the water. Reason 7. The food scene is unmatched. From fresh seafood to organic farm-to-table dining, Santa Cruz is a foodie's dream. Don't even get me started on the local breweries and wine scene. Oh, and if you love tacos, Santa Cruz has some of the best around. Reason 6. Redwood Forest Adventures. Santa Cruz isn't just about beaches. Venture inland and you'll find yourself surrounded by majestic redwood forests. Whether it's hiking, mountain biking, or zip-lining through the treetops, the adventures here are endless. Reason 5. The Santa Cruz Boardwalk. This is California's oldest seaside amusement park, and it's not just for tourists. Locals love the nostalgic charm, summer concerts, and fun vibe of the boardwalk. Pro tip: catch a ride on the Giant Dipper roller coaster. It's a thrill. Reason 4. Community vibes. Santa Cruz is more than a pretty place. It's a community. People here are friendly, laid back, and passionate about sustainability. It's a small town feel with big-hearted vibes. Reason 3. Proximity to Silicon Valley. Work in tech but want to escape the hustle? Santa Cruz is less than an hour from Silicon Valley, making it a great spot for remote workers or commuters who want the best of both worlds. Reason 2. Nature is your backyard. From the ocean to the mountains, nature is everywhere in Santa Cruz. It's like living in a postcard with endless opportunities to connect with the great outdoors. Reason 1. It's a lifestyle, not just a location. Living in Santa Cruz isn't just about where you live, it's about how you live. It's about embracing a slower pace, appreciating nature, and being part of a community that values balance and joy. This is the dream life you've been looking for. So there you have it. The top 10 reasons why Santa Cruz is the ultimate place to live the dream. If you're ready to make the move or just want to know more, drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's looking for their slice of paradise. Until next time, see you in Santa Cruz.